Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a host that matches your needs, VPS for cost efficiency or dedicated for performance. Once chosen, purchase the plan and register a domain or reserve a static IP, then set the DNS a record to point to that IP. Next, log in via SSH using the provided credentials and confirm the operating system and packages are up to date. This initial setup prevents surprises later and prepares the environment for server software installation. Once the host is ready, install the runtime your server needs: Java for many game servers, Node for web services, or Docker for containerized deployments. Then transfer the server files and set secure file permissions. Edit the main config file to set slots, world name, or service ports. After that, configure the firewall to open only required ports and create a systemd or Docker restart policy so the server resumes automatically after reboots, making the service reliable for users. You now start the server, watch the logs for startup errors, and attempt an external connection to confirm public accessibility. Once stable, implement backups and monitoring so you can recover quickly and spot resource issues, schedule snapshots and health checks. If users still can't connect, use a straightforward troubleshooting approach. Validate firewall rules, confirm port forwarding and NAT, ensure DNS has propagated, and inspect server logs for bind or permission errors. Fixing the first visible error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.